Good morning. I'm Jamie with the National Weather Service at Chicago, and here's your 4 a.m. update for the snow we're expecting today through tomorrow, and then followed by bitter cold through early next week. Right now, there's still some drifting and blowing snow across northern Illinois and northwest Indiana, and that should persist through mid-morning. The drifting and blowing snow is causing low visibility and snow drifts on roads, and we have heard reports of some roads being closed. The measurable snow moves in this morning and will persist through Sunday evening across the area, with the heavier snow mainly south of I-80. This will also impact travel with snow-covered roads and low visibilities. Then behind this system, we have dangerously cold air moving in with wind chills below -40, and then also some additional blowing snow. So that cold air is going to be across the region. It'll be Sunday night through Tuesday, with the major impacts being frostbite and hypothermia. Right now, there's a winter weather advisory out through 9 a.m. across the entire warning area, and that's for the blowing and drifting snow. Wind gusts have subsided to about 25 to 35 miles per hour, and they should continue to diminish throughout through mid-morning. So we're expecting by mid-morning to have an end to the blowing, drifting snow for a little while. At 6 p.m. today, we have a new set of headlines that are going to be going into effect. There's a winter weather advisory that goes from Cook County all the way through LaSalle County, and then a winter storm warning that's roughly south of I-80, includes all of northwest Indiana. Both of those headlines, once again, are from 6 p.m. today through midnight Sunday night. So we're looking at for the snow is going to move in from 6 a.m. to noon. In the pink is the heavier snow and blue is lighter snow. So we'll move over the Rockford area through the northern Chicago metro. Then from noon to 6 p.m. the band will shift a little bit more to the southeast, with the heavier snow from Chicago through LaSalle, and then lighter snow over the Rockford area and then south of I-80. Then from 6 p.m. tonight through noon tomorrow, Sunday, the heavier snow will shift more to the southeast, but mainly remain over the same area for the southern Chicago metro and all of northwest Indiana, with light snow still falling over Rockford and the far northern parts of Illinois. Afternoon tomorrow, the snow will continue to shift to the southeast, with snow lingering the longest over northwest Indiana and coming to an end Sunday evening. When all is said and done Sunday evening, the storm total will be around less than an inch in the Rockford area, then from the Chicago metro all the way through LaSalle, about 4 to 6 inches, and the highest totals will be over far eastern portions of northwest Indiana of 8 to 10 inches of snow. Following behind this, though, is what we're really concerned about is some extreme wind chills. For the vast majority of the area, we're going to probably see -40 to -50 wind chills, which are extremely cold, and then along the lake might be a little bit of relief in terms of -30 to -40 degree wind chills. And this is going to be starting Sunday night and persisting all the way into Tuesday. So once again, to recap, we've got drifting and blowing snow that will persist through mid-morning today. Then snow spreads through the area today and persists into Sunday evening. And then behind all that comes some dangerous wind chills and some blowing snow. Here's a few safety tips for the extreme cold. A few highlights are to keep dry and wear several layers of lightweight clothing. Make sure you cover your head, ears, and lower part of your face, and watch for signs of frostbite and or hypothermia. There's a link there at FEMA's page for some more information, including signs of frostbite and hypothermia. For road conditions, if you're traveling this morning or when we get the blowing snow back early next week, here's a couple sites to look for road conditions in Illinois and in northwest Indiana, and a list of things to have in your car in case you get stuck. Once again, my name's Jamie. I'm with the National Weather Service in Chicago. And this is your 4 a.m. update for the snow and cold we're expecting. Please stay tuned to future forecasts at our website, www.weather.gov/Chicago, or follow us on Facebook or Twitter.